22 versus a couple of small birds. And if there's any left, I will demolish the small birds with a 20 gauge. Alright, where'd the little fuckers go?
What?
Where'd the little fuckers go?
I'm positive they took off.
Keep walking. Yep, they're right there.
Right.
Oh, it just flew over right there.
Yeah, I see it.
Wait, hang on, how do you zoom?
You can't.
Fuck. Alright, anyway, shoot.
What? I lost him.
Or if you can, get right up there. Yeah, so you don't have the house or the barn in the background. Oh, hey, yeah, there's one right there.
Ready?
Hey, wait. Take him. Alright, cook him. Did you get him?
I think so.
Nope, hey.
What? That ass. You get it?
Yeah.
I don't know how I missed.
I think you might have hit him, but I definitely hit him. Come check this out.
Yeah, dude, I did hit him. There was a feather where it shot.
20 gauge versus